Hello, Miss.
Okay, please introduce yourself.
Excuse me, Miss. Allow me introduce myself. My name is Agus Irawan. I am from Marine Mechanical Engineering Technology Department, Delta, and register number 24602080.
Okay, right, Irawan. First questions. Can you explain what a life jacket is and how it works and why is it important on board a ship?
A life jacket is a safety device used to keep a person afloat in water.
Okay.
It helps prevent during and is very important in emergency.
Have you ever tried life jacket before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. In what situation should crew members wear a life jacket and why is it necessary in those situations?
Crew members should wear a life jacket during emergency, abandon ship, road sea condition, or when working near the ship site.
Okay. And then can you describe the differences between a life jacket and a life buoy, including how and when each one is used?
A life jacket is worn by a person, while a life buoy is thrown into the sea to help someone who has fallen overboard.
Have you ever seen someone thrown a life buoy before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. And what is the functions of a safety helmet on a ship? You know safety helmet, right?
Yes.
And in what situations is it most needed?
A safety helmet protects the head from falling objects and head injuries, especially during cargo handling and engine room work.
Have you ever tried a safety helmet before?
Yes.
Okay. And what about safety shoes? Is it important for crew members and what risks do they help prevent?
Safety shoes protect feet from heavy objects, slipping, and sharp materials on board.
Oh, you mean slippery, right?
Yes.
Okay. And what is a fire extinguisher? And why is its location on the ship very important?
A fire extinguisher is used to put out small fires. Its location is important so it can be reached quickly in an emergency.
Can it be used to put out a big fire?
No.
No. Okay, so only small fire, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. Can you mention at least two types of fire extinguishers used on a ship and explain their general purpose?
Example are CO2 exercise for electrical fires and from exercise for oil fires.
Have you ever tried using fire extinguisher before?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What about fire blankets? You know fire blankets?
Yes.
And in what kind of fire situations is it usually used?
A fire blanket is used to smother small fires, especially of clothing fires.
So the same with a fire extinguisher.
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain what a breathing apparatus is and why it is important during fire or emergency situations?
A breathing apparatus supplies clean air and is important during firefighting or in smoky area.
So it's important, yeah?
Yes.
Okay. What about safety harness? Do you know safety harness?
Yes.
Okay. What's the importance of safety harness when working at height, and what could happen if someone not using safety harness?
A safety harness prevents falling when working at height. Without it, serious injury or death can occur.
Have you safety harness before?
Yes, I have.
Okay. And then what is the functions of emergency lights and safety signage, especially during an emergency situations?
They guide crew to escape routes and safety equipment during emergency, especially in darkness or smoke.
So it's for evacuations.
Yes.
Okay. Can you explain the meaning of the color red, green, and yellow on safety signs on board?
Yes, red danger or fire equipment, and green safety or express route, and yellow warning or question.
Also for potential hazards, yeah?
Yes,
What is a lifeboat? You know lifeboat?
yes.
And in what situations would it be used on the ship?
A lifeboat is used to evacuate crew and passengers when aboarding the ship.
When aboarding a ship. Okay. Then can you explain the differences between a lifeboat and a life raft? Have you ever heard life raft before?
Yes.
In terms of designs and used and how it used, explain it.
Round cements, high wave and strong winds, which can affect ship stability and safety.
So during emergencies?
Yes.
Okay. For the weather, what about road sea? Do you know what is road sea?
Yes, I do.
Okay. Please explain and how can it affect ship operations and safety?
Good civility is important to callings and ensure safety navigation.
Okay, that is visibility, yeah? Okay,
Yes.
visibility. Okay, it's okay, it's okay. And what does the terms mayday means? Have you ever say mayday before?
Yes.
Okay. In maritime communications, when should it be used? When?
Mayday is a distress call used when there is imminent danger to life or the ship.
Situations.
Yes.
Okay. What about captain? You know captain, right?
Yes.
What are the responsibilities of captain? The main responsibilities of captains on board a ship.
The captain is responsible for the safety of the ship, crew, cargo, and navigation.
So everything.
Yes.
What about chief officer? And how does this role support ship operations?
The chief officer sends the captain and is responsible for cargo operation and crew management.
Okay, between captain and chief officer, which one do you want to be?
Captain.
Okay, yes, I wish you will be a captain. Alright, last questions. What does the term manned overboard mean? And what action should be taken immediately after it happens?
Man overboard means someone has fallen into the sea. The crew must raise the alarm, throw a lifebuoy, and start rescue procedures immediately.
So they have to do it immediately.
Yes.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay.